What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the continuation of the Prime Slime Trashy TV Garbage Pail Kids. We are on box 4, part 2. Part 1, bam! We got this Sean Norvett sketch card. And so, part 2, next 8 slabs, box 4, starts now.
Alright, box 4. Let's keep it going. Next 8 slabs. Started out awesome with the Sean Norvett sketch card. So let's keep it going. Looking for Scooby-Doos. Is that focusing? I can't tell. Looking for Scooby-Doos, autos, printing plates. Scooby-Doo, Scooby-Doo. Scooby-Doo. Need that printing plate. That would be so sick. Even to get a blue Scooby. It would be sick. I still haven't seen on like eBay or anything any of the Scooby-Doo autos or printing plates. So hopefully they're in this case. We shall see. Oh, I forgot those are numbered. That's 32 of 99. The other one is 96 of 99. I don't get, does anyone know why they put a goatee on Homer here? I haven't watched Simpsons in forever. Does Homer have a goatee now? Is that why? I don't know. But last time I watched Simpsons, and the Simpsons that I know, Homer does not have a goatee. $24.99. Alright, last slab, part 2. Alright, and that will do it for part 2. Part 3, last 8 slabs, box 4, coming soon.